Good evening. So today we are going to talk about two different kind of word problems, joined and separate. Our first one is going to be joined. We are wanting to help students understand the joined problems. So let's begin. Sophia made 15 cupcakes for her class. She realized she forgot some students, so she baked more cupcakes. She now has a total of 22 cupcakes. How many more cupcakes did she bake? So by looking at our problem, we know that Sophia started with how many cupcakes. We're going to look at the quantity and recognize the quantity. So our quantity here is 15 cupcakes. This is what we started with. Okay, do we have a change? The change is not stated. But we do have a total. She now has a total of 22 cupcakes. So 22 cupcakes will go here in the total. Now, we need to balance both of our sides, our scale. So, 15 equals 22. That is not balanced. The equal sign is significant for a balanced scale. It has to be equal on both sides. So as of right now, it is not equal. So we're going to see 15, the change, and the total. So our number sentence will look like this. $15 plus the change equals 22. We are going to be using base 10 blocks in order to solve this equation. This is going to be my rod. My rod contains 10 units. So there's 10. We're going to make 15. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the 15 cupcakes that Sophia started with. Okay. And the total ended up 22. So I will take 2 rods, so that's 20. She had 22. 1, 2. Okay. So now we are going to subtract in order to figure out our equation. So we can go ahead and subtract a 10 from 22. So we will take away this rod. Now, we are going to have to regroup the rod in order to be able to subtract 5 away from the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we are able to subtract 5 from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Now let's double check. Our rod is 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 15 is what we started with. Our change is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our change is 7. So 15 plus 7 equals 22. Now we are going to do a separate problem. John has 13 action figures. He gave away 5 to his friend Caleb. How many does John have left? So here we have a start, which is 13. He gave away, which means subtract. He gave away how many? 5. Remember, we are looking at our quantities. So how many does he have left? So now we need to know the final total. This is what our number sentence will look like. Again, we want to help our students understand the purpose and concept of a separate problem. So we're going to use a number line for this problem. The number line, the numbers are where they are due to this is how far away they are from 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And there's an arrow at the end because it is a continuous number line. Okay, so John has 13 action figures. We will go to 13. Mark our dot. Remember, he gave away 5 of them, which means we are going to subtract. So we're going to subtract 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and where did we end up? 5, 6, 7, 8. We ended up at 8. So therefore, John has 8 action figures.